SEO. Let the client find your business in the search engine. As an entrepreneur, you are looking for effective ways to reach your customers. Ask yourself, how do you search for information about products and services? The answer is simple. You are looking on Google. If nearly 5 billion people worldwide use the internet, then Google is the most visited website in the world, processing nearly 4 billion searches daily, and 72% of customers visit stores as the result of Google searches. Therefore, you, as an entrepreneur, cannot ignore the search engine optimization (SEO) needs of your website. In the first steps related to the topic of positioning your company in Google search engine, you need to be aware that the topic has several important areas closely related to each other and requiring specialist knowledge and skills: web design, website software, updating the content with the relevant keywords, internal linking to the website and external linking to the website, advertising campaigns, and many others. Due to the assumptions of our course, the topic of search engine optimization has been prepared in a practical way so that every business owner can independently or with a little help see the effect of work on SEO without large financial and time investment. SEO, search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing a website for search engines such as Google. The task of SEO is to prepare a website so that it is displayed on as many keywords as possible used by potential customers in a given business. SEO is mainly about technical preparation of the website so that indexing robots can scan it based on the correct structure of website and relevant content with keywords. What effects are we fighting for in the search results? To display information about our website on specific keywords on the first page of Google search results. What's your place on the Google podium? Okay, today, the Google search engine does not display our website on the very first page of search results for specific keywords, or we do not even have a website for our business yet. Where to start? Check the current level of visibility in Google's results. Compare this position with direct competition and analyze how the competition's website look like, which rank high. Consider implementing the conclusions of such analysis on your website. If you do not have it yet, prepare a website based on such conclusions. What are the keywords? These are words, phrases that customers type into the Google search engine to find your products or reach your services. Keywords cannot be general. They should be very specific. If, for example, you manufacture or sell plumbing thermoses that have unique functionality and design, this feature, combined with the word thermos, will give your brand a competitive advantage and better position your website in Google. Thermos applies to all thermos flasks and is the keyword for a general truth. For this general word, a lot of web pages will be displayed on the search result pages. Tourist thermos. It determines which group of customers the product is already closer to. Climbing thermos. It defines even more precisely what kind of tourists should buy one. Remember that keywords should be close to the customer's thinking. Otherwise, it might turn out that you and your customers use different words about the same product or service, and your SEO efforts will be wasted. Content plays a key role in building your SEO. If you have already prepared a list of keywords, use them in the content on your website and in the other promotional text relating to your website. Be consistent in applying them, but don't overdo the number and use in descriptions, especially in the headlines. What's more, create content that your customers like, expert text, and are timeless, evergreen. Then, Google Positioning will reward you by presenting your context high on the search result page. How can website users help with positioning? In several ways. With a well-designed, interesting website, the user who enters the website will not abandon the first page he visits. He will read the content on the website, and this is a bonus for positioning. If the user leaves his mark, comment, rating, recommend a page on social media, it's even better. This element of user involvement on your website must be taken into account when designing the website and program appropriate tools such as forum, comments, ratings, sharing on social media, or blog. What else influences SEO website positioning? Check or ask the website developer about the following matters, preferably before you start programming the website: page loading time, adapting the website to mobile devices, implementation of a secure protocol, presence of a sitemap, the occurrence of errors on the page, presence of the robots.txt file, duplicate content. Website mismatch in the above scope says SEO no, and the website will be positioned very far in the search results or not at all. Refresh the content. Your website needs updating in terms of content. Remember that if your business doesn't change, it doesn't adapt to the customer's needs. However, if the text on your websites do not change significantly, think about adding a blog section that will be updated, and there will be a place for creating expert text for your client. Each new publication on the blog is another opportunity to show your website in a high position in the Google search engine. SEO support with other Google tools. It's worth saying straight. The Google search engine is the most popular search engine in the world. And it is these search pages that are important in business, because here customers search for products and services. No wonder that Google additionally promotes those websites that use other tools for companies' Google Workspace. Some of them are free, some are paid. How do links support the positioning of your business website? Generally, they maintain interest in the text inside the website, or redirect users from other websites to your website. Thanks to this, your website acquires new customers, allows you to return old customers. You create internal links yourself, and external links must be bought. Content cooperation, text and link exchange, or pay, sponsored content. Remember not to copy the same content in many places. SEO doesn't like it. Without statistical information about your business website, the applied actions to improve positioning on the search result page will bring some effort, but you will not know what or which of these actions are effective. Use Google Analytics and check the basic information in specific time periods. How many users visit your website? How much time do they spend during one visit? What content they read? How they pass between pages? From which website they come to visit your website? Which sites do they leave, resign from? Thanks to such information, you will know which SEO support activities to continue and which to give up. If you followed the black text at the bottom of the presentation pages, you already know that search engine optimization is a fairly complex process that, if well planned and implemented, can bring positive effects in the form of increased traffic and sales. Almost every SEO industry pays off. Unfortunately, it is possible that the effects of the actions will not be immediately visible. Patience is what counts in SEO. Not always the sales bars will increase in a few weeks, but if the entire campaign is well prepared and implemented, your company will definitely benefit from it. Thank you for your attention and good luck with search engine optimization.